Some more examples in the case of simplifications here. That is, we'll take approximation cases here. So when you are taking approximations, as said already, we have done some examples with respect to these approximations. What is the point I said? You are not expected to calculate the exact value at any case. So we have to find out approximated values for every case, and depend upon the question, we have to take it approximated values. Clear? So let's take first question on that. So what do you take in the case of approximation? So I said for every question I give, and if it is an approximation, in the top I'll give it's an approximation. Let's take the first question here. So what is the given here? It's 54.98 percentage of 560 plus square root of 256.03 plus cube root of like that. So 54.98 percentage of 560. So 54.98 means directly I cannot take 50.98 na? So that 54.98 I can take it as 55%. So 55% of 560 and square root of 256.03, I take it as directly 256, and cube root anyway we'll make approximation means, so we'll take directly 6399. That's it. 55% of 560. So 50% 5 means how I can break it? I can break like a 50% of the value plus 5% of the value. So 50% means half of the value. 560 half is what? 280. 5% is what? 28. That part is over. So 55% of 560 I am breaking like a 50% plus 5%. 280 plus 28. Square root of 256. Basically I know it's a 16 and cube root. So how we take it? Cube root method already we have discussed. So 9 will come for 9. I have to cancel the last 3 digits, and now 6 is near to which for cube, it's nothing but 1. So approximation method, I'll take 19. So if I add all the cases, 280 plus 28, 308, 308 plus 16, 324, 324 plus 19, I'll get the total 343. So let's check. But I don't have any 343 option. That's why I said you are not expected to calculate the exact value. Whatever the options are given, for that I have taken nearest value. That is nothing but what you call an approximation here. So 343 means the value I can take it here is nothing but 340 is the nearest value for that case. 340 is the nearest value for that case. Is it clear? So simply this is how you take approximation cases. Let's take the next example here. What do you take? Again it is an approximation. What is given? 13.99 whole square plus 11.01 whole cube minus 360. 13.99 whole square means, can I write simply 14 square here, 13.99, and 11.01 whole cube, that I write 11 cube, minus 360. I write as 361. Why? Because it's a 19. 14 square I know it's nothing but simply 196, and 11 cube is nothing but 1331. I can write it, and 361 is nothing but 19, and 31 minus 12, so which I can write it, 31 minus 19, which is 12, and 13 12 196, add it as a 200, it will be easy. 13 12 plus 200, 15 12, but it's not 200 na? Subtract 4, 15 12 minus 4, which you get 15 not 8. Actually there is the total 15 not 8 is the total, but how? Directly I don't have any 15 not 8, so the nearest option I can take it as here 1500. So that is the way how you take it, the case. Clear? Is it clear how we are taking that case? So 14 square 11 cube minus 361. By solving that I got 1508. So the nearest value we are taking 1500. Let's take next example here. What do you take it here? 69.98%. 69.98 means, again here also understand, 69.98 directly I cannot take it now. So would you write 69.98 as a 70% of the value? So what do you write simply? 70% of 350 I can write first case, and 24.99 also I can write as simply 25% of the value. 25% of how much you write it? 800.08. 25% of 800 I write it. 70%. So how we calculate 70%? Each 10% I know 35. I'll write 35 into 7. We'll get 70% of the value. I'll write 35 into 7 here. So 35 into 7 means 7 5s are 35. 7 3s are 21 plus 3, 245. So 70% of 340 I'll get 245. And 25% of 800, 1/4 of the 800, which I write as a 200. 245 plus 200, which you write as a 445. This is the value I'll get it, but I don't have directly 445. The nearest option I can take it as 450. The nearest option I can take it as nothing but 450. So 70% of 350, that is 10% is 35 into 7 will get 245, and 25% is 1/4 of 800, that is 200, which you get 445. So 445 means the nearest option I can get 450. Let's check the next example here. What I take it here. Again, that is also an approximation. 34.99 whole square divided by 7 plus square root of x plus 217.02. 34.99 whole square, in the sense I can write 35 whole square divide by 7 plus root question mark and take it as x, which is 217.02. I can write 217. So 735 whole square, in the sense, and out of 135 I can cancel 135 now here. 35 whole square, 7 into 5 35 plus root x, which is equal to 217. If I continue that side, so 5 into 35, which I can take it as 175 plus root x is equal to 217. If I take root x is equal to 2175 minus 172, so which I get 42. If I take it, I require root x. If I that side, I'll get 42 whole square. How we take it 42 whole square? Uh, I said one method, nearest 50 we take it. 42 means it will be more than 25. How much? 17. And 42, it will be vary with the 50 by 8. 8 square is 64. How much more than the 25? 17. How much vary the 50? 8. 8 square is 64. 1764. But I don't have 1764 option. So I have direct option 1765. So the answer I can take it as 1765. Clear? The next one. Let's check next one also. We'll take an approximation here. What is this one? 47 into 562.58. So I can write 563 or 562 point like that. So by 23 into 112.23, I can write 112. You have to solve this one. So 23, 563, it's difficult. Let's check 47. 23 twos are 46. Will be left over 1. 1 by 23 means very minute decimal. 2.0 something I'll get 0, 1, 0, 2 something. A very minute decimal I'll get it like 0, 1 like that you take it. And 112. 105 sir. So if I take it again 5, 112 5 sir, 560. Again 3 by 112 means very minute, 0.00 something I'll get. 2.0 something, 5.0. 10.0 something. Very minute decimals I'll get. I'm not writing that minute decimal. So nearly I'll get 10. So the nearest option I can take it here is nothing but what here? 10. So the minute decimals I'll get in. So 47 by 23 means 2.01 something nearly, and 563 by 112, that is also very minute decimals. That's why 2 into 5, 10 point something I'll get. So the nearest option I can take it 10. So like this is how we take it approximation cases here. So whenever you're taking approximation, simply remember one point. So we have to get the nearest value for that, and that's why the statement they given, you are not expected to calculate the exact value. That is simply how we take the approximation part.